Okay, bhotani ma-Afrika mahle, bhotani bantu bomgquba, bhotani bantwana basekhaya, mamelanini ke. Nditshilo kuni ndathi uba nifumene i-chance kuDisemba ngoku, khawukugoduke mani uyothatha iingcambu zakowenu. Khawukuhambe uyokhonektha nabantu bakokwenu. Ndiyayazi sinama-families anedrama, others they're not even looking forward to it. But ke sesilapha ngoku. Ndiyabulela ke ngesupport yenu. Ningalibali usubscribe ku-Unscrambled Life with Slee. Ningalibali ushare nikhomente. Ndiyabulela nyhani kube ningekho, kube andikho apho ndikhoyo ngoku. Namhlanje ke ndiphethe ubhuti kuthiwa ngubhuti Simphiwe, owaziwa ke ngoSibindi Man. I've been so curious to have him because undiphathele into ezishushu. uSimphiwe.
Kunjani?
Ngiyaphila, wena unjani?
Ngiyaphila.
Ewe man, uzintroduce ngoSibindi Man.
Yeah.
Ubani uSibindi Man? Why igama elithi Sibindi Man?
Okay, okay, Usibindi Man is a businessman from Eswaneville.
Okay.
Yeah. So, waqala a food business, selling food kuma events and other places. Kakhulu mareze alcohol.
Okay.
Yeah. So, Eswaneville kunalento, they just give you a nickname based on
What you were selling.
You
So you were
understand?
selling Isibindi when?
Bengithengisa
Where did you
papa
get the
ngesibindi.
idea Isibindi? Because mina the first time seeing lento yesibindi ngangiseSoweto eZola.
Yeah.
KwaBraxoli ekhoneni kunendawo kwakuthiwa kusesibindini.
Kwazitsha.
Ngangayazi ke mina. Yeah. Oh yeah, uyakwazi khona.
Yeah.
So where did you get the idea?
Okay, I'm from Ezola, by the way.
Oh wow. What a coincidence, because that's where I've learned. Yeah. Okay.
So yeah, that's where the idea came from. Ne, Ezola, Zola mndeni ukudla kuphela. It's 24 hours. So I took
Namateksi
that.
wakhona.
Yeah, namateksi wakhona. So I took that ngayiseswaneville because ngihlala eSwaneville.
Okay.
But then ukubonisa ukuthi uNkulunkulu usebenza ngenye indlela ne. I wasn't supposed to sell. You had Banda on the show.
Yes.
Yeah. There's another guy called Peter Simedal. So it was Banda and Peter. They were planning to sell Ipapa Nesibindi
Kuma events.
event. Specific event lega
Must have been. No, before him.
Kabza face to face.
Okay.
You remember that event?
Yes.
Yeah. That's where it all started.
But it's just recent, isn't it?
Yeah.
Maybe 2018.
Yeah, lapho nje.
Yes,
Lapho,
yes.
Yeah. So iqale lapho yonke lento le. So I was supposed to be selling Voss rolls and chips, and then Banda and Peter convinced me, but no, let's just combine imali, stock a lot of isibindi.
Yeah.
Sipheke.
Yeah, because abantu mnanekile abantu abafuna ama-rolls nani bafuna ipapa.
Yeah. So yaqala lapho, and then we worked. So everything eniqala as a collective, it ends up. You understand?
Umunye nomunye ugcina sekanento yakhe ayibona
So,
differently.
yeah, out of all of the guys, I decided to say, mina ngizoqhubeka bafethu yabo. And then I just continued from there. And then it became what it was, or what it is.
Sizobuyela ke kuyo. Sizabuyela kuyo Nzulu. Ubani uSimphiwe? Where were you born?
Okay.
Ubani isibongo sakho?
Okay, mina nguSimphiwe wakamyeni.
Okay.
Yeah, umndolomba. So I was born and raised Ezola, Soweto. Okay, but my pops is from Eswaneville.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so
Block
8.
Okay.
Yeah, Block 8. Khona la engithengisela khona kusekhaya.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So yeah, I grew up Ezola in tough situations. I had to learn to be independent at an early age.
Na ukhulele kwiforum.
Yeah, forum asbestos, C20 la, uhlale,
Yeah.
So yeah, I grew up in that kind of family, Yeah, typical Kasi family.
And it's Abozola, so Deep Soweto is regarded as indawo rough.
Yeah.
Ngisayisaba namanje. Is it true though? When umuntu okhulele khona, how did you survive all these things?
I think into yangisiza kakhulu is ukufunda business at an age. Yeah.
Okay. So when uze ngapha vele sewulokhu umuntu business minded.
Yeah,
Oh, I love it.
Yeah. I started a lot of businesses before I came to Swaneville. I saw it. And then, yeah. But then, yeah. So it's nje ifuna kanjalo ifuna ube ne mentality yakho ungayi ngama messes, you know, yeah, and just have a vision of your own life ukuthi mina ngifuna ukuzibona ngikuphi at a certain time, yabona, just nje avoid izinto ezibhaza sekasi.
So ufike eSwaneville sewuna ngakhi?
Anginasho nge-age, but it was 2016 ngiqeda ukugraduate.
So you adjusted njengoba ulokhu mdala uze eSwaneville?
Yeah.
How was it though?
It was
Emaplazini phela.
It was hard. When you come from Mezola, so you come from a very fast environment.
Exactly.
Yeah, whatever you
Yonke into iqala khona.
Yeah, so mangifika ngala I had to adjust, you know. But I told myself, rather than just crying, let me just bring that lifestyle to Ekasi, so you know. And that's what I did. Because it wasn't just about the food. There was music, lapo, my events,
yes.
You know, arts, live bands. So yeah.
And then now, at least when uye wafikela boma block 80 block yabo, because of mina ngikhulele block 1 and ke uyazi lapha emahashahasheni. And then abantu base block 7 8 9 abantu vele besazi ukuthi abantu ababuya eSoweto.
Yeah.
So I think you didn't struggle that much for you to ilingo yabo to a bit of lifestyle and all that.
It wasn't a struggle because angithi growing up ngiyavakasha. So everyone around knew who I was. Yeah, it was just those selected few groups yabona. Yazi izinto zasekasi indaba zekim. That's what you need to adjust to yabo. Ukuthi okay la kufana le izinye izinto ebusuku, you must check yourself.
Yeah.
Because thina sijwayele ngarayo so you just walk mfethu, you know, yayibona i-engine yaseZola.
Yes.
Yeah. So mina ngihlala eZola 3. So I used to walk from engine yaseZola at like 2 a.m. 1 a.m. yothenga ikota lapha.
Ngoba niyazana, is it because of uyazi ukuthi they got your back or what? Cause mina ngeke ngokhe eZola mina. Singakhala ngoba ngisuwakhona. You get it?
Yeah. I think it's like that with every hood, eh?
No.
You think so?
No. You know, there's this other day I said, cause mina abantu abaningi baseKasilam ngiyabazi. And into ebuhlungu sibanje inkunzi yibo futhi abantu baseKasi. Ngathi it's easily for ukuthi mabasibulale ngoba uzoyazi ukuthi wena uyakwazi okungcona acime evidence. Thina it's unfortunate part ngeKasi lethu sikhuthuza yilabantu esiphila nabo.
Yeah, into ebuhlungu ke Kasi, you know. And it's ingiphathisa inhliziyo ebuhlungu la ideni because umuntu ubulala umuntu sonke siyamazi lo muntu lo, you know, and we know ukuthi this is a very important figure eKasi, and then uzobulawa umunye umuntu esimaziyo, you know, and then we have to come back and chill with that person again. You understand that ubulale the guy we know. You know, and we have to chill with him like everything is normal.
Right.
Yeah, it's all riding. And the manje yakawat.
And manje akunakuthi wena uzophuma nendaba kwaba maphoyiseni because of usabele yakhe impilo.
Yeah. Because there were a couple of situations where figure amaphoyisa la eDladleni bazongibuza ukuthi okay, what did I see? Because I saw a lot of stuff.